Steven was asking how we found a listing editor that helps write descriptions, including maximizing keywords and so on, speeding things up. Right here.
There are a lot of tools. I'm trying not to reference any tools because I don't want anybody to feel like they have to go and buy tools, but there are tools that you can use that help with the listing process, especially like if you dump all your keywords on one side and then start writing the bullet points, it'll start showing you which keywords you're going after and suggest different keyword phrases. We, like everything we do, we're trying to find a balance between like optimizing and speed. And we're trying to kind of be in the middle. We have, I think you showed it off in your listing to show the Mad Lib style, where we have like a standard bullet point or description that we write, and then we're just switching out some of the keywords. That's kind of our go-to for a lot of the different platforms. We have one for KDP, we have a few for merch, depending on what we're doing. We have a few for other platforms, but we kind of have that go-to one. Only because merch, there are no back-end keywords anywhere. KDP allows you with back-ends. Almost everything but merch allows you back-end keywords. Even Etsy, what we're going to be talking about next week, they have tags, and that's pretty much their back-end keywords. There are a lot of tricks and tips. We suggest kind of write one and then test a lot of those as you're making the listing.